Myself, Dr. Shikha, Senior Lecturer in the Department of Periodontics and Preventive Dentistry, Faculty of Dental Sciences, SGT University. In the current scenario of COVID-19 pandemic, our community healthcare providers such as Anganwadi workers, policemen on roadside, they are continuously being exposed to this droplet infection even after wearing a face mask. As I am also wearing this face mask, still there is chance of this infection to spread through my eyes. Therefore, our department has designed a modified face mask that will be demonstrated by Dr. Ankit Srivastava, reader in our department. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ankit Srivastava. I am reader at SGT University. I am here to demonstrate your simple conventional face mask with a protective shield. Now, how do we make it? We make it with the use of one OHP A4 size sheet. We require a stapler, a scissor, a conventional face mask, a scale, and a marker or a sketch pen. Whatever is convenient to you, you can use that. Now, how do we make it? We keep this A4 sheet horizontally over here. We will take a face mask. We will keep the face mask right over the OHP sheet. We will take a scale, place it on the edge of the face mask and draw a vertical one and a second line. I will show you the two lines. This is the first line and this is the second line. We have drawn two lines right over the edge of the face mask. Now what we will do? We will just fold the AHP sheet like we have folded like this. We will take a scissor and we will create two cuts, one over each. This is first and this is second. Now this is the first cut which we have made and this is the second cut we have made. Now we need two more cuts to make a central vent for the gas to pass through. So this is first cut we made and this is small. Now these two cuts are smaller than the sides cut. Now we will just show you the each cut. This is the first, this is the second. These are two side cuts and these are two central cuts what we made. We will keep them back. We will take a scissor and we will lift the central and we will make two horizontal cuts, one and second. So we have got this central vent which I am going to show you. Alright, what we do? We will keep our face mask right over it. We will lift the side vent, take a stapler and we will staple 1 and staple 2. Same way we will shift it, we will lift the second side vent and we will staple 3 and 4. Now I will show you the 4 pins. This is the first pin, second, third and fourth. These are the 4 pins. Now what we are going to do it? We are going to take a scissor and we are going to round it so that the face mask will not hurt our neck. This is the first side we have rounded it and now we are going to do for the second side. I am going to show you each side. This is the first side we rounded it, this is the second side we rounded it. So you can see the face mask is ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to just wear it. Now the face mask is ready. Now how does it help? Normal conventional face mask gives the coverage only till this area. But by using this face mask with a protective shield, our eyes are protected, our facial skin is protected. So whenever the COVID patient comes in our contact and he sneezes or coughs, the droplet can enter our eye. But by using this face mask, this barrier will prevent any droplet coming into our eyes or the facial skin. So this gives an additional protection. This is very helpful for the people, health workers, policemen who are dealing in the community with the COVID patients, or in the hospitals, our security guards or our staff nurses who are also indulging with these kind of patients. So this is very simple. Anyone in anywhere can make it in just 2 minutes. Thank you very much.